Hi there, my name's Thomas. Thank you for checking out the page. I'm going to be reviewing the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery for you today. If you get any value out of this video at all, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe so that I can continue to bring videos like this to you in the future. Make sure that you hang out all the way to the end of the video, as I'm going to be showing you 4 of my own bonuses on top of all the vendor bonuses that you'll get if you decide to get this product through the link here on this video. What is the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery? It is a course that will show you everything you need to know to draw traffic, convert them into leads, and gain loyalty of your visitors. This course is so simple, it takes no time to get started, it says, and you can start seeing results immediately. So let me show you what the product actually looks like. So here it is. This is the homepage of the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. Here's the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. I'll pull this up here. It is a PDF that goes into detail on how to upgrade your balance without breaking your mind. And there are multiple bonuses that they are offering. The Affiliate Mastery training videos, which are these 4 videos here: the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery, the Website Builder, and Niche Research, and Launching 1 Millionaire. The Download the Turbo Product Profits Guide, which is this here. The Download the Website Builder Guide, which is the Affiliate Builder right here. The Download Niches for Lifetime Guide. Niches for Lifetime right here. The 7-Day Money Formula, which is this one here. And the Affiliate Mastery Mind Map, which is right here. It lays out your affiliate business in a more visual way. So that is the product and all of the vendor bonuses that they are offering. Again, if you do decide that you want to check it out, right here from my video, I'm going to show you some of my own bonuses. Here is my bonus page that I will send you. So let's talk about some extra bonuses. 10x the power of the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery with Instagram. Know that a lot of what they're doing in here is showing you different ways to create your affiliate business, but traffic is huge, so showing you how to use social media is going to help out your business a lot. And that's why that one is Instagram, and this next one is Facebook. Use the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery with your Facebook page. So second bonus that I'm offering you is through Facebook. We're also going to help you out with the another traffic source. It's an underground traffic source, and it should work very well with the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. And then the 4th bonus I'm going to offer you is unlock the power of solo ads with your Ultimate Affiliate Marketing course. And then, of course, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses that we just showed you. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? 9 different bonuses just for deciding that you want to get it here in this video. So I do appreciate, again, that you taking the time to check out the video here. If you have gotten anything out of this video at all, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will be happy to answer them for you. And as always, make sure to make every day count.